Welcome back to our Coolest Gadgets series, where we make a list of the most useful and unique devices you can get your hands on today. Stay till the end because we got 5 mind-blowing gadgets from 2022 lined up for you. So please grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's get right into it. Number 1. Heytech Halloween Mask Cosplay LED. The Halloween mask is a great conversation starter and will make you stand out in any setting. People of all ages will be fascinated by your terrifying mask and flock to you. The LED mask is PVC and has an elastic band to secure it around the wearer's head. It features cutouts for the wearer's eyes, nose, and mouth, and emits no unpleasant odor. It may be worn without worry. The scary mask is perfect for any celebration, including Halloween parties, raves, discos, birthdays, and masquerades. Number 2. Vison Power Egg Drone. Power Egg has a 360-degree panoramic 4K HD camera. It is folded and integrated and can fit in a backpack without the need to assemble propellers or legs. A 4K UHD camera on a 3-axis gimbal, 360-degree panoramic vision, and easy direction changing and photo taking are just some of the features made possible by the Power Egg. The Power Egg can transmit signals at a frequency of 2.4 GHz. For real-time video streaming and control of the flight, its range is up to an impressive 3.1 miles. When combined with iOS or Android flight software, Power Egg offers increased autonomous flight modes that allow you to capture those priceless moments. Whether you're wakeboarding on the lake, playing with your kids in the park, or dancing on the beach as the sun goes down. Number 3. Nordic Lifting Climber Machine. The Mini Stepper is valuable cardio equipment that you can use anywhere because of its small size and portability. This is one of the best tools when you don't have time to go to the gym because it allows you to work out from home when you have some spare time. Stand on the foot pedals and press down on them in an up and down motion to mimic a stair climb. Combining the foot stepper and the resistance bands allows for a complete body workout. There is no need to spend money on a gym membership when you can get a good workout in the comfort of your home. 3 sets of resistance bands are provided to scale up the intensity of aerobic workouts. Number 4. Sparkling Water and Fruit Infuser. This one-of-a-kind sparkling water maker and fruit infuser features a 2-stage pressure release valve that allows you to infuse tastes right into the bottle without losing any fizz or carbon in your wine, beer, or other drinks. Cut up some of your favorite fruit and place it in one of the 2 supplied bottles. This high-quality soda maker comes with measured bottles that can be used with standard threaded 60-liter CO2 gas cylinders to ensure that your preferred syrups are always properly combined. Light and strong like a soda pop, but with a sense of humor. Given its plastic construction, you can add a little sparkle to any environment. Customers who register their soda makers with the company receive a 3-year warranty. Number 5. Mask Aroma Stickers. A mask is becoming the standard of dress. We recognize the effort it makes to be a good citizen, so we suggest rewarding yourself with a patch that eliminates bad breath and leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Whether you wear face masks for your job or personal safety when out and about, this is a quick and easy way to take your favorite essential oils with you wherever you go. Only the purest plant oils include the plant's authentic constituents. In any case, the mask's lovely scent alleviates any concerns you may have and adds a welcome burst of fragrance to your day. You can relax with essential oils whenever you want, wherever you want, without worrying about others. Aroma patches are easy to use. Remove the old one before applying a new one, and the resealable container will keep the scent inside. Which product have you chosen? If you have reached this far, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Do tell us your views in the comments section.